Gemini in Chrome is driving a structural evolution, transforming the browser from a passive window into an intelligent, autonomous agent. We are moving through 3 eras of web interaction. Era 1 is traditional browsing with high user effort. Era 2 is AI-assisted browsing, where the browser acts as a co-pilot with medium user effort. Era 3 is AI autonomous browsing, where the browser is an autonomous agent requiring low user effort. Gemini helps you deepen your understanding without losing your place. You can ask anything and keep the Gemini conversation persistent alongside your active tabs to maintain context. Context makes the answer bespoke. AI mode in Chrome leverages multimodal capabilities, using your specific tabs, files, and images to tailor Gemini's intelligence to your immediate, highly specific needs. Gemini is adept at extracting signal from the noise. It synthesizes disjointed, complex, raw information into actionable summaries, enabling faster and more informed decisions. Gemini is shifting from answering questions to actually doing tasks. With Auto Browse, Chrome can now execute tedious, multi-step tasks on your behalf, such as planning and booking a group trip. By letting Auto Browse handle tedious logistics like shopping or customizing project plans, you reclaim time for strategic decisions and enjoyment, focusing on what matters most. Invisible execution across the web means Gemini autonomously navigates across domains. A single command can trigger a multi-step workflow, like extracting flight details, navigating to a booking page, and populating reservation data. Safe browsing is automated by AI. When Chrome detects a compromised password, a single click authorizes Chrome to automatically change and save the updated password securely to Google Password Manager. You remain in absolute command of Gemini in Chrome's activity. Data is protected by Google's industry-leading security architecture, and you can manage permissions like location, audio input, and current tab context. Gemini is built for the small screen and aware of your context. It reads and answers questions about what is actively on your Android screen and is natively integrated into the Chrome app for seamless iOS access. Gemini in Chrome interconnects with your favorite tools. You can effortlessly extract dates from a tab to create Google Calendar events, or instantly generate actionable summaries of YouTube videos right within the browser. Chrome is becoming the connective tissue, the unified operating system for your digital life. By combining contextual intelligence, autonomous action, and ubiquitous access, it forms an omnipresent assistant ecosystem.